Okay, I got a new lens. All right, we're gonna see what happens. Hi, it's me. Okay. What? What an intro. So today I am doing, my light's not bright enough. Is that better? I'm a mess today. Today I'm doing a BoxyCharm. I apparently got BoxyCharm like years ago and I don't remember ever getting it. I have like old videos on my channel and I'm just like, what? I got BoxyCharm? But anyway, so I decided to get BoxyCharm again. This is the March box that just got to me yesterday, which was the 5th of April. Got lost for like 4 days, 5 days, but that's okay. We got it now. We got it now. So I'm gonna do this the way Glitter Fallout Linda does it. I'll have Linda linked down below, like I know her, Linda. So I had my boyfriend go in and just tell me if there's skincare in there. So I didn't do my skincare because he told me there's skincare in it. But I'm gonna go in, open the stuff, use the things, give you a first impression, and then when my next box comes, I'll give you a recap on the things in this box because I'll continue to use them. So I can give you more of a full review and then open the next box in the same fashion that I'm opening this box. Does that make sense? Are we okay? All right, so let's open this. I'm excited. It's heavy, she big. Ooh. This is how you know it's the March box. Don't look at that. So immediately I see the skincare, which is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Some people I know don't like the smell of this, so I just want to smell it before anything else. If I can open it. Oh, it smells like a Laffy Taffy. Okay, that's not awful. Yeah, I'll use that. That's fine. Does this have silicones in it? Oh no, because it says you can mix this stuff together. Perfect. Okay, so I'll use that with all my skincare. Nice. There's something in here that I see and I'm gonna take it out last. So this is the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. This is from Fashion Nova. They have their own makeup brand apparently. I don't mind rose scents. I'm gonna do that thing where I smell the cap and then wonder why I can't smell anything. Oh, I can kind of smell it. All right. I don't really mind rose sprays. So I'll use this. Why not? See what Fashion Nova's up to. This is Billion Dollar Brows. This is the clear brow gel. Can never have enough clear brow gels. That's fine with me. Care. Cab. What the heck? Oh, Kim, Ariana, and Brielle. Oh, Cab. Cab. Cab lip oil. See, if you read it this way, can you see? It looks like car because the edges of the B's are cut off. It's Cab. And I figured that out because it has their names on the top here. So this is just a lip oil. Rum Punch. I love it. I love all things alcohol related. See, I don't know if this is going to be like tinted. Probably not. I'm just going to swatch a little bit. No, there's, oh, maybe a tiny bit. We'll see. I think Linda got this. This is from Violet Voss. It's the Olive You Forever. I love puns. Okay, and I'm not a big green person. I don't like green. Really, like, greens look good on me. I just don't really like green. But I like this because it's not all green. Like, here's a green, there's a green. This one's, is this green? A little bit. It's like an old gold. So I like this, so I'm definitely gonna use this. I actually really like this color right here, that like old gold. I like that. Oh, and there's like a peach in here. Yes. Okay, so I'm excited for this. I don't think I have anything from Violet Voss. No, I do. I have a coral palette. That's how much stuff I have. I have a coral palette, but I'll definitely use this. I'm excited for that. Okay, the last thing. This is Lime Crime. It's the Venus 3. I don't support Lime. There's really no brands that I'm like, cancel them, whatever. Lime Crime is the only brand where I'm like, I can't get behind that. I think I know somebody who will take this from me if they don't already have it, but otherwise I'm just gonna put that back in the box. Yes, okay, goodbye, bye-bye. Bye-bye now, bye-bye. Okay. I know there's like variations of boxes. Oh my gosh. That's right, they changed the numbers. C21030333-BA. Heart. Okay. Okay, yeah, okay, we're not counting that Lime Crime palette. The moisturizer's 39. The spray is 22. Which to me seems like a lot. Just because this seems very drugstore to me. That might just be me being rude. The lip oil is 20, which also seems like a lot. The $1 Billion Brows is 18. Wait, where's the Violet Voss palette? This isn't on here. Did it? How did that happen? Was I not supposed to get this? Okay, you're seeing this, right? Lime Crime. I'm reading it backwards. Glow Recipe. Maven Beauty. Cab. $1 Billion Brows. Violet Voss is not on here. Okay, I think I just got an extra thing. Oops. That makes up for it being 5 days late, I guess. How did that happen? Oh no. Oh no? Maybe, did I just get extra lucky? Because it says lucky, it's a March. I'm thinking too much. I am going to do my skincare to the point that I would put moisturizer on and then I will come back to you. How did that happen? Okay, I tried to back up a little bit. I know I said I was gonna come back when I put the moisturizer on and then I thought that was silly. So I did put it on. What I did was, there's no silicones in here, so I did what I would do with my Drunk Elephant moisturizer, which is what I normally use, and I took all of my serums, so the A Passioni, the B Hydra, the C Firma, the D Bronzy, and the Marula oil, and I mixed all that up with this. So I put one like pump of everything, a couple drops of the oil, and then this. It doesn't have a scoop. I looked back in the box because I was like, did I throw the scoop away? No, there's no scoop. So I had to go in with my finger, which I care, but I don't care all at the same time. Like I know some people care. Mixed it all up, put it all over my face. Even with all of that stuff mixed in, as I was putting it on, it still smelled like banana. So if you are like, no, I don't want banana smell, not for you. Not for you. I don't mind, but as I was putting it on, I was like, I still smell banana. That's kind of weird. But anyway, so it's on now. It feels, I'm a little like, I'm gonna say tingly right here, but this is my one sensitive area that could just be my skin hating me. So I'm not gonna say that that's this, but I'll update you on that with the next box. I just wanted to be honest with you, just right here. This is my only area of my face that's any kind of sensitive, and it's a little tingly right now. I'm not like bothered by it. I'm not like, oh my god, I have to take this off right now, but I'm kind of like, I don't know if I like that. So that's that. I'm going to put the lip oil on now, because I just want to leave this on as like my lip prep step before I put makeup on, since it's not really that tinted. And it's the oil. It was too much. It's way too much. Oh god. That was on me. It's a little thick, which I like. It feels nice, and you're not gonna be able to see that. There's like a little dip in the wand so that it holds a little bit more product. Yeah, because it's like in the middle of the wand. It's not shaped like a curve. There's just a dip in the middle. It feels nice though. So I am going to put makeup on until I get to basically brows, so I can show you the brow gel and do eyeshadow. Okay, I've gotten to the point where I would put brow gel in. So if I can open the box, I'm just gonna chuck this in my brows. Nothing fancy, it's just brow gels. My hands are sweating. I don't know why I felt the need to tell you that. I just thought you should know. This wand is gigantic. Oh God. I'm doing like fluffy brows, so I'm just putting them straight up. They look like they're gonna hold. I just don't like how huge this wand is. Okay, let's see what... Kind of smells like alcohol. Like rubbing alcohol. Okay, so we'll see what happens there. They are wet. My brows are wet, and I think it's just because the wand is so big, it puts on so much product. So we'll let that dry for a minute and then we'll come back to it. I'm gonna move on to the eyeshadow palette. I already put my eye primer on. If I can get it. So I think I'm gonna do these kind of like warmer browns because I really want to use that shade, and then because I think these are a little too cool for what I'm trying to do, so I think I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna start with Infatuated, which is this one, and put that in the outer like third-ish and through the crease. I'm gonna take the Major Spotlight shade, which is this one, and go over my brow bone with that. That one shade went on really patchy. So I just really want to like kind of blend something through here. Okay, I don't want to build on that. Also, like, I'm running errands and stuff today. I'm not trying to do a haul. Anyways, I'm going to take All of You, which is that shade I'm really excited for. Put that here. See, now it looks so much cooler here than it did in the pan. Okay. Okay, well now I have to deepen up that outer corner because it's not, now it doesn't go with the lid shade. So I'm gonna take Charmed, which is the dark, where am I? Dark brown here. Just gonna deepen this up a little bit. I don't want it too dark. This is not doing anything. Okay, I don't know if it's my eyeshadow primer, if it's these, if it's my eye cream. This brown is not sticking onto these other shades. Like, I had to go over and over and over again. Everything looks really muddy. So I'm just taking a big clean brush, just going over the edges. I'm not liking how this is turning out. Okay, I don't want to make the lower lash line too dark, because it's already a lot darker than I wanted it to be today. So I'm just gonna take Wishful and just drag that under here. And then a little more of that shade I put on the brow bone in here. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know if it's like the eyeshadows themselves. I don't know if it's like another factor, like my eye cream or my primer. It shouldn't be my primer. It's the same primer I use all the time. So I'm going to finish my face until we get to the setting spray, so basically my whole face, and then I'll come back to you so we can do that. Okay, everything is on. I took the lip oil off and I put a liquid lipstick on. At first I was just going to do a gloss. Sorry, my hair, there's a piece of hair sticking to me, found it. At first I was going to do a gloss, but then I was like, I basically already have gloss on, and that's not showing me anything about the lip oil. So I took the lip oil off. My lips feel really nice. I didn't exfoliate them, so I still have like dead skin there. But of course that's not what the lip oil is intended for. But my lips do feel like nice and hydrated, so I don't feel like this is still kind of drying down, but I don't feel like my lips are like, you know what I mean? So that's that. Let's spray the spray. Rose water. Oh, you can't see that. Okay, she's misty. I don't really smell any rose. I'm talking to you with my eyes closed. I don't really smell any rose, so if you don't like rose, that's good. There were definitely a few I could like feel them, like fat drops. I don't really see them on my skin. Like, I think they dried fine, but I definitely felt them. I have one baby hair stuck to my forehead. Okay, so all in all, let's go over some things. Moisturizer, nice. Continue to use. Brow gel. Brows do not feel crunchy, which is nice. I think they fell down like the tiniest bit, but I'm not mad at it. Continue to use. We'll let you know further. Oh, the lip oil, nice. The eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna have to play with this more. Like, now that I've used it, I feel like these colors, they're not doing what I wanted them to do. So I'll have to play with that more and get back to you. And then the spray, right? That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, spray. Obviously, I can't tell you right now whether or not it's gonna hold up. But it felt nice and didn't smell like anything. So there's that. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time for more makeup and or a BoxyCharm. Whatever happens, happens. Bye.